Now we're going to make a very simple square base. So again, a square piece of paper. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to keep that in half, and we're just going to fold these corners over to make a triangle. So each one down into the center line. Then flip it over, and then again do the same on the other side. And then what we're going to do, we're going to pinch this open. So go inside, open it up, and then just squash flat to make the square. This is another one of the simple bases, but quite often used as a starter point for origami pieces, so it's a good one to know. And there we go, so you can just have a look inside. That's a square base. So on to the next one.